Welcome to Chapter in 10, your ultimate guide to mastering Class 6 chapters in just a few minutes. This is Chapter 1, The Wonderful World of Science, from your Class 6 Curiosity textbook. Have you ever looked at the world around you and wondered how things work? Maybe you've looked up at the night sky and wondered why the stars shine, or perhaps you've watched a tiny seed grow into a massive tree and thought, how does it do that? If you have these kinds of questions, then you are already a scientist at heart. Today, we are going to embark on a fascinating journey to understand what science really is and how it helps us uncover the secrets of our beautiful universe. Let's dive in. So, what is science exactly? Is it just a heavy book full of hard words? Not at all. Science is a way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand the world we live in. Think of science as a giant, unending jigsaw puzzle. Every time we discover something new, like how a bird flies or why water freezes, we add a new piece to that puzzle. The coolest part? This puzzle has no limit. Every time we find an answer, it leads to even more exciting questions. The most important tool you need for science isn't a microscope or a lab coat, it's curiosity. Curiosity is the spark that makes us ask why and how. Science helps us unravel mysteries everywhere, from the deepest parts of the ocean to the vastness of outer space. It's in your kitchen when you cook and on the playground when you run. Science is truly everywhere. In this textbook, we start our journey by looking at our home, planet Earth. Earth is special because it's the only planet we know of that supports life. Think about the amazing variety of life here. We have plants and animals that survive in freezing mountains, dry deserts, and deep blue oceans. Science helps us explore how these living things grow. Have you seen a caterpillar transform into a butterfly? That's science. Have you noticed how different the food is across India? From tasty dishes in the north to unique cuisines in the south, science helps us find out what our food is made of and why it gives us energy. And it's not just food. We need water to survive. Science explains why it rains, why water turns into ice when it's cold, and why it turns into steam when we heat it. Even understanding if you have a fever by checking how hot your body is, that is science in action. You might think that only people in white coats in big laboratories are scientists. But guess what? When you try to solve a problem in your daily life, you are working just like a scientist. Let's look at an example. Suppose your pen suddenly stops writing. What do? First, you ask a question. Why did my pen stop writing? Next, you make a guess. Maybe the ink finished. In science, this guess is a starting point. Then you test your guess. You open the pen to check the refill. Finally, you check the result. If it's empty, your guess was right. But what if the refill is full? Then you make a new guess. Maybe the ink dried up, and you try something else to fix it. This step-by-step process is called the scientific method. It involves observing something interesting, asking a question, making a guess, testing it with experiments, and analyzing the results. Scientists are simply people who follow this method to solve problems or discover new things. Think about a person cooking. If the dal spills out of the pressure cooker, they might wonder, well, was there too much water? That's a scientific question. Think about a bicycle repair person. When they see a flat tire, they don't just stare at it. They try to find where the air is leaking from. They might put the tube in water to look for bubbles. That is an experiment. An electrician checking why a bulb won't light up is also using science to see if the problem is the bulb or the switch. So whenever you ask how or why and try to find the answer, you are being a scientist. The world is full of things waiting to be explored, and you have the tools to do it. Here is a little secret about science. It is rarely done alone. Scientists all over the world work in teams to solve big mysteries. In your classroom or at home, if you can't find an answer to a question, Ask your friends or teachers to help you out. It is always more fun to discover things together. In grade 6, you are just starting a long and exciting journey. You won't find all the answers this year, and that's okay. Science is about the joy of exploration. You will learn about the structure of leaves, how things move, and how to separate different materials. As the saying goes, to be a wise person, you must be a wise person. Never stop wondering and never stop asking questions. So, what did we learn today? We learned that science is a grand adventure to understand everything from the tiny grains of sand to the massive stars in a galaxy. We learned that by observing, guessing, and testing, we can solve almost any problem using the scientific method. Most importantly, we learned that science belongs to everyone. Whether you are jumping in rain puddles or looking at a metal key, there is a scientific story waiting to be told. Are you ready to embark on this journey? We have a whole year of exciting experiments and discoveries ahead of us. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. This video is part of our comprehensive Class 6 Science Curiosity playlist, so make sure to check out the full series for more exciting lessons. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Chapter in 10 for more exciting lessons. See you next time!